how to download Microsoft Teams. If you want to download Microsoft Teams app on your Windows computer or mobile phone, it is very simple. Now, if you're on mobile, you can go to your respective app store and search for Microsoft Teams and download it. If you're on PC, simply open up Microsoft Store. You will get Microsoft Store in Windows 8, 10, and 11. Once you open up your store, from the top of the search bar, just type and search for the Teams app. Once you've done that, you'll find the first application called Microsoft Teams. So all you have to do is after you've launched it, you just want to go ahead and then click the install button right there. And once you hit the install button, it will be preparing to download itself. And once you've done that, now you could basically just go ahead and then launch the Microsoft Teams app. And then after that, you have successfully downloaded it. This way you can go ahead and then download Microsoft Teams. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.